thank you for that. Everybody's fine. Exactly, we have to. Hep hep. Hep hep. Boring. Okay, so here actually yung speech ko is I want to be improve the speech, but to be clear, just to be clear, I have nagawa ako na my own script to the acknowledgement. Here we go. So I have to speak here. Okay. Against the boots ko bakla. Okay, here we go. Actually, as I said in the time, I was very shocked that I was invited for the MC for tonight. But thank you for all of you, for all the brave years activities and every departments of the TCC. Thank you so much for having me here. Thank you for that. Hindi ko na panahon ko yung boots ko dahil mag-effort pa ako, nag-power pa ako. Okay, here we go. Okay, before the DC, actually, I don't have any idea. Hello. The program will be given by Mami Mai, not me, but I have the for me it's only the acknowledgement, the prosperity, the given. Okay, here we go. I want to welcome you all to the end year party toward end of the other wonderful year of living of 2021. You are all reminded that it's all the time to celebrate the family, friends, and the many wonderful things in life.
Uwa, boss!
And all the who am I? MC po. Kasi may program kayo, di ba?
Pinakumuna kita niya.
Okay, continue. Can't play it again. It's a prank. Okay.
Ayun, ganyan. Bana ko niya.
Okay, before I program to discuss that, we have to read the acknowledgement page for all the premiers, security guards, and every department of the KCC, and thank you for that. So once again, ladies and gentlemen, ladies, I want to welcome you all to the end year party support the end of the another wonderful lives. You are all reminded that it's all the time to celebrate the family, friends, and the many wonderful things in life. And for the Seawalk Security Agency, thank you for the opportunities that you have given to all the brave securities. Many of you here tonight, a time to honor the faith, loyalty to the year of 2021. It's a time to reflect back on all the year and think of all the things that have been happened and how we come to be here today. Tonight, as an organization, you have all taken a lot of the challenges this year, especially the pandemic. Tama or mali? Exactly. All of us, not just me, he or her, but all of the people in the world affected by the global warming of the pandemic. But the security guards are the same as the perceptions of the nurse. Napaka-brave yung lahat kayo as well. So I have to say this, the braver securities has done the things that have been accrued this year. None of us is as smart as all of us. And that will be all, and thank you, and more blessings, Merry Christmas, and Happy New Year. Keep up the good work. Merry Christmas, everyone. So the program will be given to Humimay. And thank you for that. Anyway, thank you for having me here tonight. Thank you.
Baka kung magkausog, magkahati.
Sa English na lang. To be equal. To be
Oh
fair.
my God. Wala na lang. Sorry. So,
The program will be.
the program will be closed. Hindi pa naman. Anak,
Oh my God, ma. Over ka
you stay here with me. Okay. Before I start the program, I will read for the opening prayer. Ano po? Music or may isa dito na tatry na mag-pray as a Christian, ano na lang? Wala na sa inyo? Wala mag-lead ng opening prayer? Christian. Kasi total naman ni Sir Juan naman yun. For the opening prayer. In the name of God, the most merciful. Prayer namin yun, ha? O, rin. Isya mag-pray. Balik ka na dito. So, before you start praying, I will play some instrumentalizations here, okay? Huwag ka lang kumanta. Huwag ka lang kumanta. Concentrate ka lang, ha? Okay. What's your name? Saan po tayo? Pwede po tayong tumayo.
Helmet niya.
Alam ko mas masasaktan kayo kung kasi sanay kayo makatayo. Diba? Okay. So, I will, hindi ko sa yung ano.
Kay Sir Musa pala, sorry. Wow, mashallah.
أشهد أن لا إله إلا الله وأشهد أن محمدا رسول الله. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. مالك يوم الدين. إياك نعبد وإياك نستعين. اهدنا الصراط المستقيم. صراط الذين أنعمت عليهم غير المغضوب عليهم ولا الضالين. آمين.
Thank you for the opening program. Thank you so much. We really appreciate it.
Punta tayo sa whiteboard. So, I will call, tatawagin ko yung para sa officer's message. So, sino ano po? Hindi ko mabanggit ang pangalan ng una. Ronnie na lang. Wala dito. So, si Colonel ba to? Wala rin. So, si DC. Okay. Nandito sa gilid ko pala. Ang pinakagwapo din ng head. Bigyan nyo naman ng masigabong palakpak.
Good evening everyone. Masaya ba tayo ngayon? Sigurado? Alam ko kulang yung budget natin kaya pinagkasya na lang. Kasi talaga, salamat ng marami ma'am. Ano pa natin? Ma'am Bay, yung chief cook natin. Yung nag-prepare sa party para matuloy. Ma'am, salamat sa mga family. Ha? At sa lahat ng nag-attend, thank you po lahat. Thank you.
Walang malilate.
Pabisita natin from Levi's, thank you sa pagdating. Kahit ano lang, ano lang talaga, kulang sa budget. Aminin natin, kulang talaga. Kulang, pero tuloy pa rin yung tropa natin. Importante, happy, lasing, masaya. Bukas, duty pa rin tayo. Ha? Yun lang, maraming salamat and good evening everyone.